Hello students, and welcome to step 2 of chapter 9. In this step we're going to talk about colors, and you're going to need to pay attention to this step because this is going to be on the quiz. The quiz is going to look a little different this week. It's not going to be multiple choice. You're going to have to convert hexadecimal color numbers into percentages of how much red, green, and blue there are in each color. Okay, so here's the root folder, by the way. Now we have a CSS page, a style sheet, and journal.html, as well as an images folder. So I'm going to open this file right here and show you what you need to know. So hexadecimal color numbers. First of all, hexadecimal is a base 16 numbering system, as you can see from the chart here on the left. Okay, so it goes from 0 to 15. Now, after 9, it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, because it can't use two characters as a representation. So 10 is represented by A, and so on up to 15. Okay? So, here's how you convert the hexadecimal to the binary numbers, or the decimal numbers, and the percentage in each color. So, the first two characters in the hexadecimal represent red. The middle two characters represent green, and the last two characters represent blue. So in this case, CC is red. Okay? So if you look down here, you know that CC is represented by the number 12. So what you do is you multiply that by 16, because hexadecimal is a base 16 numbering system. So 12 times 16, whatever the result of that is, you add the second character in the hexadecimal, which in this case happens to be a C again. So you add 12 to that. So the result of 12 times 16 plus 12 is 204. Now we know that 255 is 100% of a color number. So you take the 204 divided by 255, which is 100%, and that gives you 80%. So 80% of red is being used in this color, CC6600. In order to find out green, we do the same process. 6 equals 6, so 6 times 16, because it's a base 16 numbering system, plus the second number, which in this case is 6, equals 102. So what percentage is of that? Well, 102 divided by 255 is 40%. So 40% of green is being used in this color number. Now this one's easy to figure out because anything times 0 is 0, plus 0 is 0. So there is absolutely no blue at all in this color. So that's represented by 0%. So that's how colors are used in hexadecimal. So that's going to end step 2. Thank you.